Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can send or create a file request in the Mega app. For example, if you'd like to request from one of your contacts to upload a file to a shared folder. This is how you can do it, guys. So what you want to do is log into your account in the Mega app, for example in the web or desktop version. I'm going to do this here through the desktop version or application. Oh, that's the web version, sorry. And what you want to do next, guys, is navigate to the shared folder, right? So navigate to shared items here on the left-hand side, and then click into file requests. Click into it and create a new file request below. Then, guys, select the file for the shared folder for your contact, right? So that to give the given contact information where to upload the file to a shared folder, I assume. So select the folder, click into select here, and then, guys, you will need to double check here if that's the correct folder. You can always switch to another one here. Give the request a name like project files. I don't know. Excuse the typo here. Describe it below, and then, guys, what you want to do is let me correct that typo here. You may see the preview upload page here, right? So that's how it would look like, for example, for the contact you sent the request to. You would then receive via email, for example, invitation, and after clicking into the link in the invitation, the given person would be requested to upload, I don't know, for example, a file here requested for the project, right? So that the given person can browse through their device and upload the requested file. So to create it, click into this button, and then the file request will be created. Now it's time to send the request, right? So it needs to be, it needs a recipient, right? So you can do this, guys, by using an embed code here, right? It's like that. For example, for your website, or you can use that shareable link here. Click into copy link to copy to your clipboard and send that invitation or file request to the person, for example, via direct messaging services, emails, and so on and so forth, guys. And that's how it works. Now you can then monitor the shared folder. If the file has been uploaded by the given user, you may also receive a notification. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.